and even central government also, state government, they have Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala wrote a letter to Honorable CM of Siddaramaiah to explore Siddaramaiah ji for exploring all the new technologies to find out the river. Since then, our Revenue Minister, Honorable Krishna Bairegowda ji, and Disaster Management Secretary Rashmi Madam, and my collector Sri Lakshmi Priya ji, and myself, we are just 5 days old to this district. We reported 5 days back. With our great difficulty, with my officer's support, revenue officer's support, we gathered here and we have started a launching operation for rescue of the Arjun. When we searched entire CCTVs, we searched entire his locations, and we confirmed that this lorry was not passed the 1 hour toll. It passed from Halia, so that it is confirmed. Then probably what happened, because of landslide, when the lorry is next to the mountain, it is washed away in the thing and it is fell down in the river. That is our initial assessment. But there is one Ranjit from your Kerala, is a rescue man. He came with the equipment, okay, we allowed. And NIT people came and they also searched for the there, and deep metal search also searched there. Because of entire rocks are with the iron quantity, it exactly matching about the images. But to clarify that, and today we tried with the Naval and Air Force to pinpoint that point with our operation. But because of river current is very, very high, we are not able to draw our divers into the sea only. Tomorrow we have another plans to change that course of the reverse action, and our divers can go to that point. Very, very especially today, the deep radar technology fellows came from Delhi, and their equipment is coming early morning, the Shatabdi Express, and every station is there. Tomorrow all frequencies, media and police, everybody is out of that thing, and they will go to the pinpoint location and they will see the object, and it will help us to act as very precisely tomorrow. So I kindly request everybody to keep cool and calm. You people from since the one day you are all means cooperating us, and we are also doing our level best. So prayers must be with all the departed souls, and this is also first time it's a big landslide happened in Uttar Kannada district admission. We are also very new, but with the constant support of government of Karnataka and cooperation from the Kerala government, a joint operation is happening. Inter-central agencies with the reporter channel and all my Malayalam channels, I kindly request, see, there should not be any rumors. And number two, there is a lot of people came here and they spread the false news that government is not doing anything, SP is not preventing media people, or DC is not doing. No, so that is not a problem. We are the public servants, we are doing our duty with our consciousness. To only motive to save the Arjun. No criticism, comments are not deter us our dedication to save the Arjun. Our entire government supporting us, they are giving all the support to us. See that we will, by tomorrow evening, we will clarify the entire things. Whatever the people coming here, why we are prevented means, since all 100 to 20 people coming there, and the briefing is halting the rescue work. That is the only reason, and we are there to address you from tomorrow onwards. Within 2 hours, our people will brief you, district administration will brief you. There will not be any confusion. The thing is, boss, if rains are not happened, these landslides are not happened, if sea means that the river is not rough, by the time we have to done it. But nature also support us. We pray the God. OSD to CM office, Srimati Vaishnavi, conducted entire meeting with all the scientists of ISRO, Indian Institute of Science, Geological Survey of India, and we got the technology yesterday. And within 2 days, we have worked and we are able to find out with radar image that some iron object is laying down in the river. So that we got that entire images, and immediately we transferred into the naval base, and naval base radars also confirmed that some object of that which lorry is measured, that measured there. For your own safety and security, why you are prevented is, I am telling once again to reporter channel, why you are prevented there means there is that day lot of landslide is happening, still happening, heavy rains are there. I don't want to put your lives into risk. That is the only thing. Otherwise, we love Kerala, we love Kerala culture.
Thank you very much. Okay.